It's a beautiful day here at Younger Lagoon Reserve. The sun is shining, the sky is clear, and our interns are here weeding away. Nothing can stop us on this glorious day. Oh no, clouds are coming. I think a storm's brewing.
Oh! Oh my, oh! What? We're getting wet! We need our reindeer! I don't have pants! We need more reindeer! So many, we don't have enough!
As the saying goes, there's no such thing as bad weather, just bad gear. This Giving Day, Younger Lagoon Reserve is raising money to outfit our field team with a whole new set of rain gear. Our current set has lasted many seasons, but is showing serious signs of wear. Summer's coming to a close, and we're hoping this winter is going to be a wet one. Our restoration plants seriously need it. Thanks for the support.